So this session we'll be looking into how to load schema. That is, in Cassandra table index, we have how to create table. We can alter the table, we can drop table, and we can also truncate table. And we look into how to do that with the commands. So the first one is to, in Cassandra, to create table command. This table create table is used to create a table. That is here, column family is used to store data just like table and RDBMS. So as you can look at the create table command will help to create a column family in Cassandra. So this is the example that is given. So the create table, the column family, the table name can be mentioned, the column definition with the option, and we also have and. So this is how you create a table. And this is the example of the run program. That is here to create table for a student where it is taken as the primary key. The student name, city, fees variant and code variant has been provided. And how to alter the table. So here we use alter table command to alter the table after creating it. So this alter command can be used to perform two types of operations. That is to add a column and also to drop a column. Okay, and the syntax here is to alter table or the column family given the table name or instruction. Alter table. So when you're adding a column, that is to add a column in the table by using the alter command. And while adding column, the user will have to be aware that the column name should not conflict with the existing column names and that the table is not defined with compact storage option. So the example here is to alter the table student and to add student email text. And we have how to drop a column. That is dropping an existing column from a table by using alter command. So the user should check that the table is not defined with compact storage option before dropping a column from a table. So alter table name and drop column name are the commands that I use. And the example here is alter table student and to drop the student email which was created. And we have drop table command. So this drop table is used to drop or remove a table. So we use drop table and the table name. And if it's given drop table student, the complete student table will be deleted. And the next one is to truncate table. So this truncate command is used to truncate a table. So if the user is going to truncate a table, all the rows of the table are deleted permanently. So the syntax here for that is the command is truncate with the name of the table. So when the truncate student is given here. So next what we'll be seeing is Cassandra query. So there are four different types, that is SQL create data, SQL read data, SQL update data, and SQL delete data. So to SQL create data, the command used is insert. Insert command is used to insert data into the columns of the table. So you can see the syntax here, insert into the name of the table, the column names are given and the values are given, and using for the option can also be mentioned. And the next one, the examples are given, how to insert into using the student table. Student ID, they are taken as the column name. The values are also given and the options are also provided with. And for SQL read data, select command is used to read data from Cassandra table. So this can be used to read a whole table or a single column or a particular cell, etc. So the command here is select from table name, and the example is also given. Select student ID or student name from the table student. And where is used as a clause with select command to specify the exact location from where we have to fetch data. That is the syntax is select from table name, where, and given the condition. Okay. So here we have to select from the table name student, where we are going to look into the student ID. SQL update data. So this update command is used to update data in a Cassandra table. So if you see no result after updating the data, it means data is successfully updated. Otherwise, an error will be returned. So while updating data in Cassandra table, the following keywords are commonly used. That is where, set, and must, which is used to include all the columns composing the primary key. So where clause is used to select the row that you want to update, and set clause is used to set the value. So you can look into the syntax. The command update is given for the table name, and the set command is given for the column name or for the new value, and where where command is used to mention the condition. So this is the example that is used for update data with the student table example. And SQL delete data. So this delete command is used to delete data from Cassandra table. So you can delete, the user can delete the complete table or a selected row by using this command. And the syntax here is delete from, and the identifier is here where the condition. And this is the example which is used using the student table. Now we'll look into the Cassandra collections. That is, Cassandra collections are used to handle tasks where the user can store multiple elements in collections. There are three types of collections supported by Cassandra, that is set, list, and map. So the first one is a set, that is a set collection stores group of elements that return sorted elements when querying. And the syntax here is given for that, for set. And the next one, and we also have the example here. This example is to insert the employee details. That is, they have the employee ID, email name, etc. And the next one is list. That is, the list collection is used when the order of element matters. So probably it has to be arranged in a register number order, then list can be used. So map. So map collection is used to store key value pairs. That is, it maps one thing to another. For example, if you want to save course name with its prerequisite course name, you can use map collection. That is to create a table name course. Now you can see that a table is created and we are able to insert some data in map collection type. So I'll just give a revision, a go through of what we have seen. So we saw on how to load the schema, on how to create table, alter table, drop table, and to truncate table with their commands and given student table examples. And we also saw Cassandra query language on how to create data, read data, update data, and delete data with their respective examples. And we saw about Cassandra collections on set, list, and map.